Well, hey friends and neighbors, this is Chuck out at Sheraton Park Farms. Welcome back to the farm. It's early on Sunday morning. It's a little bit after 5. We're getting ready to pack up, go meet our friends Jamie and Sarah from Seven Stands Farm. And then we're going to ride over to Bristol, Virginia, which is about 2 hours and 45 minutes, I think. About 2 hours and 45 minutes from here to pick up. We're picking up 15 pigs this morning from our friend Tyler. What are you laughing at?
Oh,
From our friend Tyler Leonard over at Warsham Springs Farms. 4 of these are Jamie and Sarah's, and then the other 11 are ours. We're buying a new boar piglet, and then we're buying 10 feeders. So hang out with us for a while. If y'all have not met Jamie and Sarah, get to meet them here in a few minutes, and let's take a little ride, pick up some pigs. We're fighting the daylight today. It's the 20th day of December, so it's next to the shortest day of the year. So we got to get over there, get pigs loaded, get back, get them unloaded down in their training pen, get the trailer empty because we're going in the morning to pick up a cow. So lots going on around here, so stick around with us for a little while. Let's see what the day holds, and let's see if we can beat the daylight. How many piglets you got all together right now?
To be honest, I really don't know. There's 65 here.
Yeah.
And there's, what's this one? There's 65 here, and then there's about, I think there's about 80 left over there.
Right.
And there's a couple that's left to go, so.
Yeah. So have you got any more that you're going to want to sell?
We've got, let me think here. So y'all getting these. I'm only going to keep about probably 25 maybe.
Okay.
Of these. And biggest part of these right here is sold, but that next group, yeah, there'll
Be some more for sale.
Mm-hmm. And I mean, some of them still same. Some of them bigger than these. I just couldn't get them up. But
Okay.
and some of them just probably 2 weeks old. But
Okay. So if somebody wanted to ask you about buying some pigs, how would the best way to get in touch with you? Is Facebook?
yeah,
Warsham Springs Farm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, here's the other glove. Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, good deal.
You put a good picture somewhere.
She is soft too, ain't she? Lord of mercy.
Look at that pile of peas. Daddy, look at this.
No, it's fine. You want to come up in here? You want to
come up in here, Sarah? We won't let him run over you.
I got it.
We just don't want him to run out the door.
Oh.
No,
Now,
you come in.
there was one of these. Yeah, slide the doors. Now there was one of these red ones.
Yeah, either I'd like to have either a red one or a black one for a female if you think there's any one good. Check her right here. What she looks like. How many she got? 13. Look, see, let me see her here just a second. She's a little narrow in the front. She should be. Yeah, she's all right.
That'll do. Look like they're getting ready to race.
Her. Okay, she might be a good She's got 14, right? So let's look at her first. She actually may be better to breed with because she's a little wider in the front. The hams will take care of themselves. Yeah, some more width. Yep. You want her? I don't care. You're the man now.
Yeah, like that. There you go. They like that better.
Oh yeah, I think they're good looking pigs. I think they're real good looking pigs. Get them home, get them fed up, they'll be fine.
Shout out to Sheraton Park.
Yes. Thanks to Sheraton Park Farms for taking me along.
It's a
I'm
lot
not-
of fun. You know, just like we said earlier, just getting out and being around people.
Yeah, just
You know.
having a good time.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
So we'll see in about 6 months if I say thank you or,
Yeah,
or if I'm cussing you a little bit either way.
Yeah, one or the other. Yeah, you'll either love me or hate me. Looks like everybody need to have a bowel movement there.
Yeah.
You got them in there. Yeah, you can haul that home in your truck.
Yeah,
It's on you, man.
All right.
All right, so we made it home. It's about 4:30, so it's getting close to getting dark. So we're gonna get these piglets unloaded and get them out and get them in the weaning pen real quick. Then we're gonna get turned around and get ready for going and picking up a cow in the morning. So we're gonna get them unloaded and get them down to the pen here and get them started.
We are laid out here. Did that make it there, boy?
Is that how we're gonna do it?
What's that? You want to do it a different way?
No,
You want to do it a different way?
no, it's fine. You want to get that one before? others a little?
Yeah, I was gonna give him others a little too. Okay, so I think we've kind of beat the dark. It's getting pretty late, but we got everybody home, and over here with Pumpkin, Jack, and Hamlet, we put our new little boar in. He's the one in the rear right there, and we also put one of his sisters in, or one of the little girls that we got out of the same litter in with him. So they've got some company. The other 4 are gonna test them a little bit, but that's okay. They'll get that figured out. Then down here on the feeder side, we've got the rest of the group. Put them over in, and as soon as they hit the ground, they started grazing, rooting around, looking for something to eat. So they know exactly what to do. So in the world of pass fail, these guys absolutely pass as pigs. So everybody looks good. They've got in the fence a couple times, and they know that that's hot. They don't want anything to do with that. So excited about these guys. Really tickled to death to have them. Tyler's got some good looking pigs over there. Again, if you're looking for piglets, reach out to Tyler Leonard at Worsham Springs Farms. I'll leave a link to his Facebook page in the description down below. Tyler's raising everything out on pasture. Got some good looking pigs, got some good color in them. It does have some white pigs as well. So good variety to choose from. I think he had 65 in the group that we were pulling out of. We got 15, and then he said he had probably another, I don't remember, maybe 30 or 40 out on pasture. So Tyler may be a good source if you're looking for pigs. Reach out to him and see if he can help you out there right outside of Bristol, Virginia. All right, let's go to the house and finish up there. So there's our day. Had to come in to finish this thing up. Had a good trip over to Bristol, Virginia. Had not been over there in a couple years, so that was a good trip, but we did have to kind of hurry. Left this morning out of here at 5:30. Excuse me. I think we walked back in the house tonight about 5:45, and it was completely pitch dark outside. So safe travels. Got to spend some time with Jamie and Sarah from Seven Stands Farm. They'll have a same version of this video coming up, so go over there and follow their channel, and you can check out their version of the video. Thanks again to Tyler over at Worsham Springs Farms. I met Tyler at the Pharaoh to Finishing School that Jordan Green had done up at their farm earlier this year, and Tyler and I were able to make a connection there. Glad that we did. You know, farming is all about connections and knowing folks that you can reach out to whenever you have a need or you've got an issue or a problem. If you don't believe me, I'm going to post a link to a video right here where we found out the very same thing. So if you've not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Follow along with us. We've all the time got something going on. We're going to pick up a cow tomorrow. We'll see if we can get a video of that. We got to leave early in the morning for that. I think we're leaving about 4:30. But appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks.